This is how to scan physical books with a Speechify iPhone app so that you can listen to them while you're walking around or driving, or with a book open in front of you. So all I need to do is open the Speechify app, click on the scan icon in the bottom left corner, and then I'm going to take a picture of this page that I want to read. And then I can take pictures of every single page in the book or in the chapter that I want to consume. And pretty quickly, actually no, I didn't need to take that. I end up with an audiobook of the entire thing I want to read, which is pretty nifty to have. So this is the chapter that my little brother was assigned to read this week. And he has ADD, so it's really easy for him to listen on the way to soccer practice. Okay, wait to practice. So I'm gonna wait for all these books to process. Cool, now they have. Boom, now I have an audiobook of this chapter.
One as the hand. One as the hand. One as the hand outcome. O sage of Athens, said Buster Roth. Coach was reared back in his swivel chair with his fingers interlaced behind his head and his elbows winged out on either side. What news from Marathon? From where? Said Jojo. Coach had a big friendly smile.
So now I can basically listen to this entire book. So you notice that I spent about 10 seconds scanning, but I now have 12 minutes of reading that I could do in the car, which is just so useful. And that's how to scan something with the Speechify iPhone app. Now, I want to show you just one more thing. Let's say I wanted to scan something new. And I actually decided after I created this book that I want to crop it. So I just click on the button over here and I can crop whatever I want within this file. So now I'm not going to include the bottom paragraph. I can also delete and I can retake. So for example, let's say I want to go back here. I could take 1 photo, 2 and 3. As I'm taking photos, I could also hit the flash here, but I don't need it. And then I can go forward and I can say, okay, you know what? This photo I actually want to retake. So then I'll retake that photo. And there it is. And now I need to wait for it to load. And now I can add the file. And there we go. Now I have my new book.